gonna shred the mountain. You don't know what mountain? Yeah, I do know mountain. Mountain Creek. About to have some fun. About to get lit, man. About to get lit. We're approaching Mountain Creek right now. It's 8 long miles. Only if you're a local of Mountain Creek, you know about this. So instead of taking that light over there, you take this light. Alright, we need to ask some random. I got a camera ready. I know, I'm doing a timer.
What's up, YouTube? Trail King here today. Another beautiful day here at Mountain Creek Bike Park. I came out with a bunch of guys from New York. Today is Richard's birthday. Happy birthday to you, Richard. Thanks for inviting us all out here to come and shred. I had the homie Joan pick me up today and we drove out. So far we've been hitting some good lines, getting some good clips, following really closely behind Joan. So I hope you're enjoying that footage. We just finished up our lunch break. We got still a few more sessions that we're gonna get in. See if we can get these guys to push their limits a little bit on some of these big jumps. Beautiful day out here at the mountain. So we're getting into some fun stuff, so enjoy.
No, the Minion. The Minion. Jump.
Some dirt ramps.
No.
Some wood.
Some dirt ramps.
Look at first.
It's better not to look.
It's better not to look. Just follow our speed.
Alright. I'll follow.
I'll see you guys. Wake up.
That's it. Send it. Got one taker. Yo!
That's the only way to.
Bro,
if I don't know what I'm
That was
doing,
your first
I need
time?
to follow someone. Yeah.
You sent
That
it.
drop is sick.
Bro,
I saw you guys slow down just
Yeah.
a bit. I'm like, alright.
I tried to go over like pretty dead stop off that thing sometimes.
This is just the infamous triple jump.
Is it those wooden drops?
No. It's just straight dirt doubles like that.
Like that?
You know the last one?
Yeah.
About that size.
A little,
pretty
little
big.
big and flippy, but just chill.
Bro,
Just be smooth.
Dude, you guys are sick. Watching you guys, I'm just going straight on into everything.
Bro, he's just quick on these tricks. I'm trying to get like my chest out. Like,
Damn.
it is fun. I can stay real close to him.
Yeah, you guys
follow
were
us, right?
super close, huh?
they didn't follow us.
I don't know. I think they were all kind of
If
bummed
they
that
think
we
that
started
they're
going,
gonna roll everything, it's not a good idea.
They just want to go to breakout.
Oh, they hit that?
There they are. All right, let's send it in front of them.
Yeah. Oh, follow me.
Alright.
Same thing, bro.
Yeah, buddy. Damn.
So much fun.
Bro, you kept it tight, man.
Dude, I almost touched your tire at one point.
Bro, I was having to cross the jump, Joan.
Bro, you could do it, bro. I know you definitely have
Let's do this.
Bro, you could do it.
Let's do this.
Yeah. My guys.
Oh!
There you go. Whoa!
Drop it!